Hello everyone. So as you all know that we are doing our fourth chapter of It So Happened, The Treasure Within, and we had completed the first comprehension. In this chapter there's a conversation going on between an editor of Spurge newsletter, Bela Raja, and between Hafiz contractor. So actually Bela Raja is an interviewer and he is taking the interview of Hafiz contractor. And in our first comprehension, we had read about his past memories, his childhood memories, how he was as a student, how he actually developed as a good human being, as a successful person, and yes, about his good and bad memories of the school also. And in this session, we'll continue with the next step of his life. So let's start with the second comprehension. Talking about the second comprehension, already few of the points are given here. And which are these points? Actually, in this comprehension, you will read about how Hafiz contractor had become a successful architect. And here they have mentioned the point that he stumbled on architecture because he knew little French and less German. So why German was more important and French was important, and in what way, that we will read in this conversation. And yes, next point is he was offbeat even in the pranks that he played on others. Means it will show the behavior, how the behavior of Hafiz contractors actually changed when he became responsible, and how he reacting on the same pranks which he used to play on others easily. When he found his calling, there was no looking back. And yes, about his life bad experience also you will read here. So let's start with Bela Raja's first question of second comprehension given on your page number 28. So Bela Raja is asking Hafiz contractor now that how did you get into the field of architecture? As I have told you earlier, you have read in that he was not a good student actually. He did not have much interest in studies. Apart from that, he was very notorious in his school days. But yes, his principal said something to him and then changed him completely. Then he became serious about the study, and then he put everything in the study only, but still he didn't get good marks. Now let's start with this. So what was the question? That how did you get into the field of architecture? That was the question of Bela Raja to Hafiz contractor. How he is replying now? See, in the college for architecture, nobody who had got below 80 to 85% was allowed to enter. I had only 50%. So you know that he actually worked hard, but he didn't get much marks. He got only 50%. And that time he is saying that if you want to enter a college of architectures, if you want to take admission in that field, you at least needed that time 80 to 85% marks. I wanted to join the army. This was his own experience. I wanted to join the army. I got my admission letter, but my aunt tore it up. Then I decided that I wanted to join the police force. So like everyone else, like every child, he had many of the wishes. He wants to become actually everything. Sometimes being a child, sometimes our mind goes that we'll go for the teaching, someone will just try to become doctor, and many of the fields are there in which every child actually want to put forward his efforts. But the same case here was there with Hafiz contractor, and he is saying that I wanted to join the army and I received a letter from there also, but here actually his aunt didn't want that, so he tore the letter. Then he just gave up that idea to join the army, and later he decided that he will go to the police force. Same kind of field he wanted to join. Then what was his mother saying about the police force? Now see, my mother said don't join the police force, just do your graduation. So I went to Jai Hind College in Bombay. So actually for this his mother was not agreed to joining the police force, and then he just advised him, you just continue with your study, don't go in such fields. There I was to either take French or German. So he had taken admission in which college? Jai Hind College in Bombay. So he was continuing his study further. Then he is saying that actually two languages were necessary there in that college. Which are those languages? French and German. Like in HP board also, you are reading Sanskrit. It's an compulsion here, and in few of the CBSE we have to opt a different language out of Punjabi, Tamil, any of these language. So that time also, which two language was necessary for that school? French and German. Though I had studied French for 7 years, I did not know 7 words of French. So it maybe it happens to you also, that he had already read for 7 years, he read the French language, but he did not know anything about the French language, and he's saying even the 7 words of French I was unable to speak. Further he is saying, so I took German. So he, just for the experiments, he took German this time. Then my German teacher died, and just sarcastically he is just replying everything. He took the German and his German teacher, he died. The college told me that I could change the college or take French. And then see what was the irony. He wants to actually leave the French language, and he, for that purpose only, he took German. But then his German teacher died, and he again had to go back to the French language, and his colleagues and his teachers, they had decided that now they have to take in admission in another college, and there he has to opt the French language again. Now, who would give me admission in another college? I had got admission to Jai Hind by influence, and because he was not a good student, marks wise he was also very much low, so he was afraid that no college will give me admission. And here also, just by the influence, just by some outer force, I have taken admission in this Jai Hind college, then no other college will give me admission. So I thought, okay, I will take French, and I started learning French again. I learned it from my cousin. She was an architect's wife. So he said, okay, I will continue in the same college. I will not go for any other college. And if I have to stay here, if I have to learn French language only, then no issue. So he decided that, okay, he will learn French. And actually, he had taken tuitions from his cousin only. And the cousin of Hafiz contractor was an architect's wife. So why it is mentioned there that she was an architect's wife, you will read further that how the contact, actually the architect's contact influenced his life that much, and he had made up his mind that yes, this is the field, I'll have to continue in this field only. Now see, I was going to an architect's office to learn French. So as he was taking tuition, and she was an architect's wife, so for taking tuition daily he has to go to an office of architects. So Bela Raj is further asking about his experience. Was it then that you decided you wanted to do architecture? So that was the next question. That's why you were frequently visiting architecture's office. So it had made up your mind that you will become an architect in your life. Actually, it all happened quite by chance. So this was the reply, that that time also he didn't make any mind that he will go in this architecture's field. But yes, it happens by chance. How? In the architect's office, I saw somebody drawing a window detail. A window detail is a very advanced drawing. So I think many of you know about it, that whenever we'll have to construct any house, any home, any of the building, any office, we'll have to pass the map of that from the committee and all, and for that we'll have to go to architects. First of all, they will make the whole map of that, and then we will have to submit it to committee. If it will be okay, then you can continue with that same map. Otherwise they will not allow you to make anything, they will not allow you to build anything actually. So the same thing was there. So when he was sitting in that office, so someone was making some window detail maps, and a window detail is a very advanced drawing. Definitely you will have to see actually everything when you are going with a practical map. I told him that his drawing was wrong, that the window he had drawn would not open, And that time only, as he was sitting there and he was watching that what the person is doing, he just advised the person that whatever drawing you are making, that is totally wrong, and whatever window, in which direction you are making the window, it will not open. He then had a bet with me, and later he found that indeed his drawing was wrong. So the person said, ki, okay, I am right, whatever drawing I am making, that's fine, and I can just make a bet with you. And then what happened? Who won the match actually? Hafiz Contractor. Hafiz Contractor was right. By seeing the picture only, he said that this window will not open. And yes, that happened. My cousin's husband was surprised and he asked me to draw a few specific things, which I immediately did. So his cousin husband, the cousin from whom he was taking the tuition of French language, he was surprised to see all that. Then he asked Hafiz Contractor to draw a few of the things, and he did that immediately, that time only, and very perfect. He asked me to design a house, and I designed a house. After that, he told me to drop everything and join architectures. Actually, he asked him to make some maps of a house only, and then he just did that work perfectly. And then the person actually advised him that you should go in this field. You should choose the architecture field as your further profession. We went to meet the principal of the college. So they both, the cousin's husband and Hafiz Contractor, they both went to the principal office. The principal warned me, I will allow you to take part in the entrance exam, but if you do not do well, I will not allow you to join. So the person actually decided that he will help Hafiz Contractor in getting further education also, so that he can complete further courses. So they both went to the principal office, and the principal warned that you will have to be serious about whatever you are doing, and then further we will decide that whether you can continue in this college or not. So students, further in that entrance exam of architecture only, he scored A+. And he was very happy to see that. And further he said that it was very easy for me. It was just a cakewalk. What is a cakewalk? It's a new word given in your text here. Cakewalk is a smooth ride which is very easy to do for you. That is called cakewalk. Okay, so he's saying just it was a cakewalk for me. That was the work actually of his interest. He's very good in architecture field, in drawing and all. So he said that I scored A+ in the entrance exams, and it was very easy task for me. Then further he said that I had never made a plan for any drawing, whatever he wants to make. He did not make a plan for that. He said that I used to see the things from the top only, from the upper side only, and then I just set the things in my mind, and I was able to make any of the drawing. So it was very easy for him actually. See, a student who was not actually good in studies, not even in maths, he was saying he used to have the nightmares about the maths, but he was very much good in scalings, in drawing, in architecture's field. So this was actually the experience of Hafiz Contractor. I don't think we'll be able to complete this chapter with this video only. So I am just completing this page number 29, and accordingly you will do the question here. So further he said, I stood first throughout after that, and I believe that this understanding came from what I used to play and do during school. I had a friend called Bahram Divacha. We used to have competitions between us for designing forts, guns, ammunitions. Each of us would design some things in an effort to be indifferent. So now he is just sharing the experience of his architect college. He was there very much comfortable in study because this was the actual field of Hafiz Contractor, and he's saying that he had a friend also in the school, Bahram Divacha, and he is the person, he is also a good architecture, and he is the person with whom he wants to do the competition. And he is saying that we used to make the forts maps, the guns and the ammunitions also, and then he said, and likewise he's going with this architecture's field, and this was about students how he actually entered into this field, architecture's field. And in further video we'll see actually his further journey as an architecture. So I am ending this video here only. Thank you.